讓我哋掌聲有請韓國超人氣組合idol主唱 Leon。Let's welcome the vocalist of the Kid Korean group idol Leon to join us on stage. 안녕하세요. 먼저 사진 영상 찍으세요. Let's take some photos. 네, 我哋先望向前方。
먼저 가운데 찍겠습니다.
好，跟住我哋望一望左手邊一組嘅媒體朋友。
네, 왼쪽도 한번 봐주시고요.
非常之靚，我哋都望一望右邊嘅觀眾同埋媒體朋友。
오른쪽도 한번 봐주시고요.
好嘅，多謝晒咁多位。
네, 감사합니다.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
저는 주기양입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다.
안녕하세요. 저는 미연입니다.
네.
반갑습니다.
네, 오늘 잘
한국어를 잘하시네요.
저는 배우고 있어서. 네.
就讚佢韓文好好啊，而家就學緊啦。
係嗱，咁咧，不如咧，我哋咁開心咧，請到 Beyond 嚟到現場咧，都亦都同 Beyond 傾下偈啦。我知道咧，今次咧專程嚟到澳門咧，出席我哋 Vivienne Westwood and Jewelry 他和他的珠寶展喺中國華南地區首展嘅開幕典禮。咁知道咧喺較早嘅時候都已經率先咧睇咗我哋嘅展覽，不如同我哋現場咁多位分享下你嘅感受好唔好咧？
네, 먼저 이렇게 비비안 웨스트우드의 전시회 개막식에 참석할 수 있어서 너무너무 영광이고요.
咁首先咧就係可以咧嚟到呢一度咧參加 Vivienne Westwood 嘅呢個展覽嘅開幕儀式咧，係感到非常之開心同埋榮幸嘅。
So she is very honored to join us at the opening ceremony today.
네, 비비안 웨스트우드의 수십 년에 걸친 아카이브를 한 자리에서 한눈에 볼 수 있었다는 게 굉장히 큰 영광이었고 저한테 시각적으로도 패션으로도 굉장히 큰 영감을 준 그런 뜻깊은 시간이었던 것 같습니다.
咁可以喺呢個展覽裏邊啦，睇到 Vivienne Westwood 咧咁多年嚟咁多件嘅作品咧，係覺得非常之榮幸啦，亦都係咧俾咗佢一個視覺嘅享受。
So she also finds it very impressive and inspiring to be able to see so many pieces of jewelry creations and the exhibition. 好，咁咧接住落嚟都問一問啦，喺啱啱講到啦，有好多唔同嘅珍藏啦，咁有冇話邊一件咧特別有深刻嘅印象都同我哋介紹一下咧？
모든 작품들이 다 기억에 남는데요. 하나만 꼽자면은 브로큰 펄 넥클래스가 가장 기억에 남습니다.
係啦，咁其實咧每一件作品咧都係非常之印象深刻㗎，因為都好靚啦。咁但係如果真係要去揀一件嘅話咧，就會係叫做破碎珍珠頸鏈啊 ，the broken neck pearl necklace。
係啦，咁啊 ，so she finds that many pieces and many creations there are very impressive, and especially she chose one of them.
아, 네. 그 이유는 비비안 웨스트우드의 대표적인 진주 디자인에 뭔가 깨진 듯하게 재해석을 한 부분이 뭔가 저한테 큰 영감을 줬던 것 같아서 네, 가장 기억에 남는다고 말씀을 드렸습니다.
咁而呢一個咧叫做破碎的珍珠頸鏈咧，咁就帶俾佢好有一個靈感啦。因為呢條珍珠頸鏈咧，除咗用咗 Vivienne Westwood 咧好標誌性嘅珍珠之外咧，咁亦都係咧有一個好似係被扯爛咁樣嘅一個破碎嘅痕跡啦，所以就帶俾佢好大嘅靈感。
So she found this very attractive because it's something like tearing apart, but with a very signature, the pearls there and the laurel as well. So very impressive for her as well. 好啊，咁接住都問一問啦。今日咧，我哋都見到啊，同平時咧邊樣一樣啊，日常嘅穿搭舞台嘅造型咧，都好有我哋 fashion sense 時尚嘅格調。今日咧出席我哋嘅開幕典禮咧，亦都好有我哋品牌嘅特色喎。挑選珠寶嘅靈感又喺邊度嚟嘅咧？
네, 오늘 이렇게 예쁜 체크 셋업에 어울리는 진주 아이템들을 이렇게 매칭을 해봤는데요.
咁就係咧，因為咧今日咧佢着條裙啦，大家都睇到啦，係一個格仔啦，咁所以咧佢就用咗呢個珍珠頸鏈咧去作一個點綴嘅。
네, 이거.
She today as well especially chose a checker skirt, so that's why she also chose some pearls to match with the total look for her today.
비비안 웨스트우드만의 사랑스럽고 아방가르드한 그런 무드를 좀 잘 살려보고 싶어가지고 이렇게 예쁘게 하고 와봤습니다.
咁因為咧就想將 Vivienne Westwood 咧好可愛、好靚嘅一面咧就展現出嚟，咁所以咧今日嘅配搭裝扮咧就係咁樣啦。
So she also want to showcase a very sweet yet avant-garde look that very stick to the Vivienne Westwood ethos as well, right? Thank you very much. So last question， 最後一條問題啦。嗱，今次嚟到澳門啦，有冇一啲特別想做嘅事情，又或者想食嘅嘢，同我哋分享下咧？
사실은 제가 몇 년 전에 마카오 관광청 홍보대사로서도 또 일을 해왔었고 공연으로도 그렇고 마카오에 온 경험이 굉장히 많아서 많은 곳들을 가봤지만 비비안 웨스트우드 카페를 못 가봤었거든요. 근데 오늘 좋은 기회를 다녀와서 예쁜 음식들도 먹고 좋은 차도 마시고 좋은 시간을 보내서 만족합니다.
咁就係咧，其實咧，佢好幾年前咧就已經係咧被呢個澳門嘅官方局咧邀請咧，就做咗呢一個嘅觀光大使啦。咁所以佢都係咧，成日都有嚟澳門嘅好多嘅 experience 㗎啦。咁但係咧一路都冇呢個機會咧去呢個 Vivienne Westwood 嘅 cafe 啦。咁今次嚟到咧就終於可以去嗰度去食去嘗試咗一啲嘅飲食啊咁樣嘅。
So New York was also the ambassador for our Macau Government Tourism Office in the past years. So she already traveled sometimes here in Macau, but this time very specially because she can enjoy some delicacy at the Vivienne Westwood Cafe. So very good experience, right? 非常之好，咁我哋都再次掌聲 ，thank you Mion 今日嚟到現場，相信咧佢係同大家一樣喺我哋展覽當中咧會領會到 Vivienne Westwood 咧獨特嘅龐克美學啦。감사합니다。 好，我哋請咧 Mion 留步，因為接住落嚟咧，我哋將會咧邀請咧我哋嘅嘉賓嚟到台上，同我哋一齊進行合照同埋祝酒儀式嘅。So now I would like to also invite our officiating guests joining us on stage for a group photo and of course a toasting ceremony to officially kick off our exhibition. First of all, please welcome Ms. Daisy Ho, Managing Director of SJM Resorts SA。有請澳娛綜合度假股份有限公司常務董事何超鳳女士，掌聲有請。Please also welcome Mr. Andreas Quintana, Creative Director of Vivienne Westwood。我哋 Vivienne Westwood 創意總監 Mr. Andreas Quintana。And Mr. Giuseppe Allegoni, Chief Operating Officer of Vivienne Westwood. Vivienne Westwood 首席營運總監 Mr. Giuseppe Allegoni. And Mr. Michael Yap, CEO of Modemia Limited. 浩達服裝有限公司首席執行官葉子成先生。And Mr. K.H. Mel, Managing Director of Modemia Limited. 浩達服裝有限公司營運總監苗其康先生。Bravo! Welcome everyone of our guests. May I invite all of our guests to have a step toward your right hand side so we can get them center to have a perfect photos. Yes. Please look to the front, to our official photographer first. 請大家咧先望向我哋正前方大會攝影師嘅鏡頭啊！ Alright, please hold your pose and we still got some more official photographers there. Alright, please also to the cameras from our friends from the media on your left hand side, please. 請大家望向左手邊，我哋一眾嘅傳媒朋友。And of course to our friends and our media friends on our right hand side， 都望一望右手邊嘅咁多位傳媒朋友同埋現場嘅觀眾同埋我哋嘅粉絲朋友。 Thank you. Please remain. And now we would like to propose a toast to officially kick off our fantastic exhibition for Vivienne Westwood and jewelry here in Macau. 接住落嚟咧，我哋將會邀請咁多位嘅主禮嘉賓同我哋主持祝酒儀式。But before the toast, please also look to the front. Let's take one more photo. As the Chinese wordings always mention, the fortunate things always come double. Wow, we can see a fantastic view, right? Yes, but we would also like to propose one more photo. Sorry, yes. Please look to the front. Perfect angle with our champagne as well. So ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready. After my countdown, let's raise our glasses up high together. 3, 2, 1, cheers! The Vivienne Westwood and Jewelry Exhibition 2026 Macau is now officially open! Vivienne Westwood 偷和他的珠寶展2026澳門站正式開幕。 讓我哋掌聲恭喜，亦都期待更多嘅朋友嚟到現場，同我哋一齊見證 Vivienne Westwood 嘅龐克美學。Thank you all our guests. Please be seated. Thank you so much. 多謝晒咁多位主禮嘉賓，請移步回席就座。감사합니다。 Thank you，多謝晒咁多位。Anson 請留喎，咁咧咁難得邀請到你出席咧，咁亦都咧希望呢個時間同 Anson 傾下偈先嘅。咁咧我哋知道咧 Anson 咧喺舞台上面咧一直都係散發住好強大嘅魅力嘅，係咪啊？係啦，嗱，造型咧亦都有好多唔同嘅嘗試啊，好多大膽多變嘅風格。咁而 Vivienne Westwood 嘅珠寶核心咧，亦都係自我表達同埋突破界限。咁想問一問 Anson 啊，你覺得佢嘅呢一個龐克美學對你嘅舞台表演，又或者你對時尚嘅追求，會唔會有一啲共鳴嘅地方同我哋分享下咧？
對我嚟講咧，其實龐克啦、punk 咧，佢除咗係一個風格之外咧，我覺得佢係一個 statement 嚟嘅，係一個表達自己一啲都唔驚啦，去追求自己嘅一個勇氣之餘咧，係一個突破框框嘅一個 statement。咁其實係同我喺舞台上咧係有一少少嘅相似啦，因為喺舞台上我都係想打破框框啦，好想表現多啲唔同面向嘅自己啦，咁所以咁啱同 Vivienne Westwood 嘅精神咧，其實係有一個共鳴啦，就好似佢嘅珠寶咁樣啦，都係有好多元化啦，亦都係打破咗一個傳統式嘅一個珠寶嘅感覺咯。所以都好似我自己喺舞台上面好似要勇於做自己啦，但係亦都要保留獨特性咁樣。
非常之不容易係嘛？ So he just mentioned together with echoing with Vivienne Westwood. So he think punk is not just a style, but also it's like a statement that to encourage himself to break through and to be true to himself as well. So it also echoes with her style on stage. So very good to be here joining us for the ceremony. 咁啊，接住都問一問咧Anson 啦，喺我哋嘅職業生涯初期咧，其實 Vivienne 咧就已經將首飾咧視為藝術當中一份不可或缺嘅強大元素。咁亦都想問下你咧，平時舞台表演嘅時候，會唔會都好注重一啲嘅 accessories 或者珠寶嘅飾物咧？會唔會覺得都幫到自己整體造型有唔同嘅加分？有冇特別中意 Vivienne Westwood 呢一個飾物咧？
首先珠寶啦、飾物啦，對我舞台造型嚟講咧，佢唔止係一個畫龍點睛啦，其實更加係一個同我舞台造型係一個互相輝映嘅感覺咯，係一個好重要咯。咁我自己今次咧，其實對 Vivienne Westwood 嘅 Old Collection 咧係十分之中意啦，因為佢係表達咗優雅啦，有一種鋒芒嘅感覺啊。咁係一個好 classic 啦，亦都係十分之 elegant 嘅一個系列啦。咁今次其實亦都好榮幸啦，可以嚟到 Vivienne Westwood 嘅展覽區啦。咁希望大家都一齊享受喺上葡京嘅今次個大型嘅一個展覽嘅盛宴啦。Thank you, I'm so honored. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. 我哋再次俾掌聲，多謝 Anson on Monday. Once again, thank you, Anson. Thank you so much. We believe your passion for fashion and for the stage performance will surely reflect the Vivienne Westwood spirit we celebrate tonight. Vivienne Westwood